Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to summon the ghast directly in the overworld. This is the only reliable method. First, enable cheats or open a creative world so commands work. Once done, pick a clear, flat spot away from structures and mobs. Make sure you've got cover, ranged gear, and a retreat route. You'll call it into existence, so safety matters. Prepare to block windows and have shelter ready. Once ready, we'll craft the exact summon command and choose safe coordinates. Open chat and type the summon command. Precision matters. For a basic ghast use, /summon ghast XYZ, substitute coordinates or use tildes to spawn relative to you. If you want behavior control, append NBT, for example no AI, 0B health, 10F, or set a custom name. Once executed, the ghast will appear instantly at that location. Make sure you're not standing where it spawns, otherwise you'll get launched. If you need multiple tries, adjust Y to avoid instant falls into lava. After the ghast appears, act quickly. Build a snug enclosure or retreat to a safe distance and attack with bows. If the command doesn't work, verify cheats are enabled and you're running it in the overworld. Misspelled entity names or wrong dimension will prevent spawning. If it appears inside blocks or causes too much havoc, use /kill at etype equals ghast, limit equals 1, sort equals nearest, or teleport it away with /TP to remove the threat. One key tip: always test on a creative copy of the world before doing this in your main save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.